is awkward. What's up? What? What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today we're working on this MiataGoKart, and I got coilovers. I got a front set of Raceland coilovers. They were sent out to me by one of the subscribers, and I really appreciate it. It's so awesome that someone just didn't need these and sent them out for free. Out of Line Garage. I will link in the description. You guys check them out. Huge thanks to you guys. It's awesome that we're just getting parts. And also thanks to everybody who sent some money on GoFundMe page. You could also check it out in the description if someone still wants to help. Those money will definitely go towards getting a new windshield or getting brakes probably. I'm actually purchasing pedals, brake booster, and the steering rack from some guys from Georgia. They're working on that, and hopefully by the next video we'll have the parts to install on the car. But today, the primary thing that we're working on, the primary thing? I don't English. The main focus of today's video is installing the coilovers and finishing the roll cage, because in the previous video we did not finish the roll cage. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get started. Test fitting the coilovers. It looks pretty nice. Nice and red, race car. So all we need is the bolt that I cut out, that bolt on the bottom that's holding it right there, and I think we have the nuts for these, so. I'll never stop thanking you guys. Thank you for sending out the coilovers. So excited to have them. We finally have the full suspension for the car. The front coilovers and the rear are the stock suspension for now. Later on, when we have a little bit more money, we'll probably switch the whole suspension setup. But for now, it will do. Hey Jared.
Hey, what?
Did you know I haven't come up with a name for the Miata yet?
Really?
We got the bolts and we got the nuts, we got all the hardware that we need from Ace Hardware, and we're about to put the coilovers in and start finishing the cage. I'm super excited to do this, as always. Let's just get going. The coilover is in. Now I'm gonna put the wheel back on and do the same thing on the other side. Not gonna film it because it's literally the same thing. So the suspension is in. It looks really good. We're gonna start working on the cage. I've been filming less talking and more working because every time I edit and I have a lot of clips of me talking and it's just so much, I cut all of it out anyway. I decided this video I'm gonna show more of the progress we're making on the car. This is already looking super dope. This is super sick. Well, Miata's been worked on all day, and I don't know, I haven't been really filming. I've been working, enjoying myself, hanging out with friends. Tell me in the comments below if it's too noticeable that it's not exactly straight. But it looks good to me, I don't know. Like this. Well, thank you all so much for watching this short little video about coilovers and the cage. I really appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for leaving your likes, your comments, your constructive criticism, everything. Any questions I'll answer as much as I can. And I will see you in the next video about this Miata, the one I haven't come up with a name for yet. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video. Stay positive. Bye!